This 7-minute stretch will release tension, improve flexibility, and energize your body. This is perfect for mornings or post-workout. Let's begin. Stand with your legs hip-width apart. Hinge forward, placing your hands on your thighs or your knees. Push your hips back, lengthen the spine. Open up your chest and look forward. This will stretch your hamstrings, your calves, and your lower back. Now come in tabletop position. As you inhale, raise your right arm. Exhale and slide it under the left. And rest your shoulder on the mat. Extend the opposite arm forward. It will stretch your shoulders, your upper back, and your neck. Now let's do the same on the other side. Now come into a kneeling position and extend your left leg out to the side. Inhale and raise your arms overhead. Exhale and lean toward the extended leg. Pulse gently, deepening the stretch with each reach. This will stretch your side body, your hips, and your obliques. Now let's do the same on the other side. Come into a lunge position with your right leg forward. Twist toward the right leg, bringing your hands to prayer position. Press elbow outside the knee for a deeper twist. This will stretch your hips, spine, and shoulders. Now let's do the same on the other side. Step your right foot forward outside your right hand in a low lunge. Push your pelvis down, sinking your hips deeper. Stay here with deep breaths. This will stretch your hip flexor, inner thighs, and your hamstrings. Now let's do the same on the other side. Now from downward dog, lift one leg, open the hip and flip into a back bend. Extend the free arm and open the chest. This will stretch your shoulders, your chest and your spine.
I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off.
Let's do the same on the other side.
On your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I...
Come on to all fours and walk your hands forward. Lower the chest and chin while keeping hips above the knees. This will stretch your spine, your shoulders and your chest. I hope your body feels more open and relaxed now. Keep practicing daily for better flexibility. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next session.